how to install a Java IDE onto your computer. Just note, if you want this to be a series, maybe we could do Minecraft modding or just Java itself, then we're going to be using this. But right now we're not going to be doing the Java IDE, but instead going to start off Minecraft modding tutorials. Anyways, let's get to it. Anyways, this is our website, Beaver Coding Club. If you haven't visited, I suggest you do, highly suggest you do. But anyways, let's get back to the video. First step, let's go to a blank Google page, search up JDK8. No, just JDK. In fact, I think it'll pop up there. If you search up JDK, it'll show a Java SE Development Kit 8. What we're going to be doing is clicking on that. This is what we're wanting, Java SE Development Kit 8U191. If they update it, it should show something different here, but as long as it's the first one, that's what you want. Click accept. Now, click the download for your computer. In my case, it's not any of this except for this one. So, we're going to wait for it to download. Since my computer is fast, it's going pretty fast. Yeah, it's almost done. Here, I think it's done, but let it do its thing. Here it is, done. Ready for you to click on it. Alright, it's gonna take some time, but right after you click on it, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but I think it will require I'm blanking. Yeah, it'll require do you want to allow this app to make the changes to your device? I don't know if you saw it or not. You didn't see it?
No, she did! Oh, yes, she did! No, she did! Yes, she did! No, she did! I just saw it! Alright, take it easy.
You didn't see it. We're okay though. Now you guys can see this. After you've done installing it, you should see this screen. Welcome to the installation wizard for the as long as it says Java SE Development Kit 8. Click next. You can see where it downloads. I just want to keep it there. Program files JDK. Okay. Now it is downloading. Okay. I think it'll ask for it again, that message, not that exact message. Wait, it's doing something. Oh! Alright, now let's let it do its thing. I bet you guys are doing the same thing. It'll take a little bit of time, but then after it's rolling, it'll, well, go pretty fast. This computer's pretty fast. Come on, faster! Okay, now it is successfully installed. You should see that. Or, I think since I've already done it on this computer, it won't show for me, but there'll be another screen where you have to download the Java itself. I'm pretty sure you have to you know what to do. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just click download to all that. After that, click close. I know you don't want to, but click it. Yes. Now, what we're going to be doing is actually go here. And I think we have to go, it's hard to do it on the Windows 10. I suggest doing it on Windows 7. Better, way better. Well, I figured it out. Actually, it's nothing of that sort. Go here. System. There. For people doing it with Windows 7, which is, well, I'm proud of you, you're gonna actually have to go to the computer, which is on when you click this button. It's on the very right of it. You're gonna have to right-click computer and then click properties, and then you'll come up with this screen. Now, well, it should say Windows 7 here for you guys. After that, you need to click Advanced System Settings. go click environmental variables, and now you should see your path variable. I already did mine. What you're going to need to do is press edit. This first one, for people who are actually doing it on the Windows 7, this would look much easier. But on the Windows 10 already, you should have this first, since I did it already, it's going to be here. This you should already have. But now, this part and so on, I don't think you do. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Okay, so you need to put a semicolon after this, okay? Just insert a semicolon. After that, open yourselves this. Now you're actually going to want to go to, it's on this PC, yeah, local disk. Now go to program files, go to Java. Here we go. Now, what you're going to want to put into here, I should press edit. Now, what we're going to be wanting to do, this one you already have, right? So now we're going to go to, yeah, right there. Go to JDK here, press bin, and then click that, highlight it all, press Control C, and then after that semicolon that you put right there, press Control V. Now you should have this part this part in there. Now we're gonna go for the next semicolon. Put another semicolon. Press the do this. The way you do it is you have to go to your Java from the program files. Go to JRE this time. Go to bin and then highlight Control C and Control V after that semicolon. You have to go to the bin file, okay? Don't actually highlight the folder itself. Go inside the bin, and then you'll be able to get it good. Now, press save and OK. And then, wait, not press OK again. This time, I've had people complain that it doesn't work for a reason. Sometimes your IDE doesn't work, and that's because you don't have a Java home. That's actually the one problem. If you guys don't have this, all you need to do is press new, okay? And you should have that when you press new. Okay, now the variable value. What inside that variable value, you want to go to Java, JDK. Do not go inside the bin. Don't go anywhere else. Just go inside here. And then Control C, Control V. Press OK. Okay, again. Okay, again. Close this. Now we are ready. Now all we need to do is go back here. We're ready then. Now it's time for us to actually get everything set up. This part isn't actually pretty tricky. All we need to do, but the next part after that is, it should be able to work now that we have the Java home. If you didn't do it, then this part will not work. Okay, time to get started. Now we're gonna type in Forge. This is for the modding for the coding. Yeah, we're gonna mod. Now we're gonna go to files.minecraft Forge. This is actually not Forge. It is just cheap. This is where we want to go to. The latest is 1.12. So, but we can use 1.9 on anything. Right now, what we are going to do is download 1.12. What we're going to be doing is press not Windows installer, MDK. I think it's modding development kit. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, modding development kit. Now it'll go here. This part you should be absolutely aware there might be viruses on this. So don't do anything. If you click the ad, then probably something might happen, so don't. It's perfectly safe if you don't. Press skip. It'll download this. So, for some reason it's not liking this. Okay, so for most of you, it should work if you use Google Chrome. For me, I don't know why it's not. But you don't click any of the ads. I'm using an Internet Explorer. Just press skip. And then after that, press open if you're using Internet Explorer. Then, just get rid of this. Nobody wants it anymore. Well, no. What happened? Never mind. Okay. Time to do something. Okay. So, okay. This is what you guys should be seeing. We're gonna Control-C all of this. Like, copy it all. Like, literally, copy it all. Like, you know what, never mind. Anyways, after that, it should be all copied. Yeah, it should be. And we don't need that. Press new folder and call it my mods or whatever you want. Now, Control-V. Everything, it's almost complete. Now we can just X this out, X that out. You can do something here, but this is now what we need. Okay, so now type in new text document. But first, actually, I think we need to go to properties. Is it advanced? Wait, give me a second. Forget everything I just did. Here, go to view. No, don't click that. It's just so weird. Go to options and click it. Now we are going to want to go to view, and we're going to want to untick this. Hide extensions for known file types. Untick that. We don't want that to be ticked, because ticking that will fail us. So untick it, press OK, apply, whatever. Now, what we're going to be wanting to do is press new text document and call it setupWorkspace or whatever you want to call it. And then we're gonna not setup. What have I done? Alright. Now click it and now type in yes, go here, and that's it. I found one of my previous projects and did this. Type in this. It will be in the description if you guys don't know. If you guys think you will, well, not type this in properly. Gradlew, setupDecompWorkspace, and gradlew Eclipse. Now I'm going to save as setupWorkspace, and now put this as all files, and then go here, delete this, and put it back. Now you should have this. You can delete this just to make sure this is it. You can click edit, and yeah. Now we're gonna double click it. Give it some time, and now you should see this if it's working. And then a bunch of dots will be displayed. Okay, while that thing is downloading, let's go here to Chrome. Type in Eclipse. Normally people will think that, but that's not what we want, is it? We want to go to eclipse.org. You can type eclipse.org if you want. I don't really care. Now, what we're going to be wanting to do is go under Downloads and Eclipse IDE. Download 64-bit. Download. And woo! That's the thing that we want. It'll open in 10 seconds, I guess. While that thing is downloading, this should also be running in the background. It is done! Now we wait for, well, everything. I don't think this needs to be open. You can just close that, as long as you don't close this. Whoa! It's doing so many things. And you can see like the percentage as to how much it's done. Like how much of everything it's been doing. At least I thought you could. No? Okay. Well, Eclipse should be loading in. I don't know why it's not. J Center bin tray. What? Where is my Eclipse? Yes, that's what I want. Do that. It says it's a desktop app, but is it my desktop? No. I don't think we need this anymore. It's okay if it skips its thing. Ooh, 21%. It's okay if it skips some things. I mean, it's okay. And now this is what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to do all this, okay. Right. Why isn't my Eclipse turning on? I want to go here. Let's open file location. I really want this Eclipse to run. I don't know why it's not. It will. I think it's just because my computer is slow but fast. This is what you guys should have downloaded. And once it is open, you're gonna have to do things carefully. Because the fate rests on this. Now, let's wait for fate. By oomph! 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 By oomph! This is what you guys should see. Don't click that. I know you're tempted, but don't. And don't click that. I don't think you want to. Don't click that. It's pretty tempting, but no. Click that. I know you don't want to, but click it. No. Oomph. Best name ever. Now, it's gonna install something, okay? Just let it install whatever it wants to do. Click install. Alright, my computer is slowing down. There's too many applications running, and I know yours might as well. Press accept now when you see this. And I hate when it says decompile MC. Just give it some time. I know it'll do something. Also, when you see this, you're gonna wanna check that and press accept. Decompile MC is still doing it. With my, I hate being patient. So with my patience, what I would do is just X this out. I don't want to do it, just in case something bad might happen. But let's wait for everything to do everything, so it can do everything. Do it fast. Even if it does say it is, well, taking longer than usual, it'll be fine. Even if it's saying this. Even if it does say this, it'll all be good. Real good. My computer doesn't like me. Okay, I got everything to work perfectly again. So, do I trust these certificates? It's going to ask. I'm going to select all and accept selected. Build successful. That's because of the failures. Anyways, you can X that out once it says that. And it is going to do this. Click launch. Click launch. Why did I say launch? Like that. I should have said click launch. And then things get a little bit more groovy. Now it's gonna show that, whoa, it doesn't look like an eclipse whatsoever. There's at least something called an eclipse Venus, but this is like the latest model of Eclipse. Anyhow, after it's done loading, it's gonna ask you to do this. Wow, perfect timing. Then what we would be wanting to do is don't click OK, click browse and click desktop, click my mods, and click Eclipse, and then launch. At least that's what I think. I think this is the one. Please tell me this is the one. I want to know if this is the one. Come on, please. Oh, I don't think it might be the one. It might not be. I was faced with some serious lag time. If you're having the same problem, I would suggest that you actually click that button again, because maybe something just didn't work. I'm just double checking. If it says up to date or skip, that means it worked already. Everything up to decompile MC had worked. Oh, that decompile MC worked. That worked. That worked. That worked. That worked. That worked. That worked. Oh, there we go. Finally, something that didn't work. Build successful. There. That was 1 minute. That did not feel like 1 minute. Alright, I don't know what it's doing. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Okay. Now I'm just gonna wait for this thing to complete. Now I understand our problem. Okay, after this thing is done, which it is now, it exited by itself. It looks much better and bigger now. Now what we can do is click this. It shouldn't take too long. Yeah, and now we did that wrong. It shouldn't be there. I mean, I tried. Do the Eclipse. Use this as default. Do not as can launch. Think it'll work. Pray for that line to go forward. The holy line. It worked. It worked! Okay, now this arrow, if we click it, yes, we should have all of this. If you do, you did it correctly. Now what I want you to do is this whole thing, click the delete button. And click yes. Now, we are all set. Still working on our mod, but this has been great. This is all we want for our IDE. Anyways, if you did enjoy this video, please leave a big fat thumbs up. That'd be greatly appreciated. Also, please do subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Press that post notification button. Also, please do visit the Beaver Coding Club website. And I'll see you all next time.